Sembut Menteri Rangba kejela uba kami iketenat penroisor uba Sniawbhalang dhar. Haka arpui terik leber ula ong ke Sorkar syankan pyntreikam iaka Meghalaya Urban Parking Policy 2025 ban te lakam halor ke jingkhapngiah kali hakirut surong ha baru ki jaka sor kenang bakan yarap ban penlait na ke jingtheng kali hakanong ba Shillong. Habakren Syllad pathai khubor Menteri ula ong ka jingkhapngiah ya kini ke polisi penyang kali kan yarap ban penduna ya ke jingkhapngiah kali haki surong nomor on omdad bala ban syu penyang kat bamuan haki surong. Kat kum ke jingkhapnpau ke jong uba Sniawbhalang ula ong ba ke jingkhapngiah kali thurmur haki surok kadai kawe na kidau ba ke bawan ra ke jingkhapngiah kali hakanong ba Shillong. Kum ta ketenatkan sakhmi ya ki jaka na ke bentaban syak ban penyang kali hasurok ula benram. Ula ong ruk bakani ke parking polisi kan tau ya kisin jam ban syem da ka dor kum ka bai penyang kali ha surok bat ha kejuk ke por ba ki pat ba kim dai ban syuyang klumar namar on bu ya ki zon ha ki surok ha ke ba ki lak ban penyang ya ki kali bat ki jaka ki ba kim lak ban penyang. Nalor kata Menteri Upentip Ruk ba ke Sorkar kalarai ban penkendriat no ya ka sekretariat Shaniu Shillong si benta jong kisin jam ban penduna ya ke jingkhapngiah jong kenong ba. Kani kan saya rap shibun bat kum ke Sorkar ngindang beteng ban yamir jingmut ban syem kisin jam ban persyang wanra ya ki babuan kilat kilenti ki ban yarap ban penduna ya ka jingtheng kali hakanong ba ula benram.
Oh, this is a continuous process of modifying all these things, and you know very well even this some parking is yet to come up very soon, and even from the Urban Affairs Department we have recently passed a parking policy on for urban, which should help immensely, I should say, because parking policy, especially for strict road strict policy. So this is one of the remedial measure, and the other parking is coming up maybe in very short times. And the other issue, you know very well, police traffic is maintained very well about this issue, traffic issue. And yes, of course, whatever we say, traffic is still there. And that is one of the reasons why we decided to move to the new city, new secretariat. That is one of the reasons. I think maybe after we shift to the new secretariat, maybe in 3-4 years, it will be drastically improve in everything. So for the time being, yes, we have to be a little bit no way out. And from the government side, we are discussing and we are doing things every now and then, every day. We didn't sit idle, you know very well. Sometimes police keep changing the road, one way, two way, all this because we reduce traffic only. And I have seen at least for the last few weeks, it's a little bit improved, not like before, it's really crowded. And especially when the school start again, then again it will be, you know very well, it will be traffic again. But we will try to modify so many ways how to reduce traffic. The reason the parking policy for urban, especially for road strict parking, that is the main reason to reduce all this road parking. And it will be implemented in a very short time. The rule now, policy has passed, we modified the rule, and no one can simply park blindly on the road, and that itself reduce traffic drastically. Only there, you know very well, there is as of now no identified parking bay because of the people park randomly. That is the reason traffic increase from day to day. That is why we passed a policy this last few weeks. Which road we can park on the side, but they have to pay parking. That is the meaning of parking policy, especially in the urban area, especially for